Good afternoon, everybody. We are at Disney's Caribbean Beach Resort, and I am going to do a room tour for you. This is a fifth sleeper room. It's in the preferred section. It's in the Barbados building, and let's do the tour. This room, 3129, is an end unit, so it actually has two really nice big windows. As with all of Disney's properties, you can see that the furniture, the bedding, the headboards, the lighting is all themed in connection with the theming of the resort. I like that there are hooks here to hang stuff up when you come in. There's also plenty of space here. If you had a stroller, this room has plenty of room for it, or if you had a little one in a pack and play. These rooms still have carpeting, although they look like they were recently changed. Table, two comfortable chairs. Nice pieces of artwork. And a nice large TV. Thank you, assistant. We've got our refrigerator in there. Then right over here, if Lily can come over and pull that down for me. This is the fifth sleeper bed. This is meant for a child. This is not meant for an adult, so you cannot book this room unless you have at least one child, 9 and younger. Look at the cute artwork back there. Mickey and Pluto relaxing in a hammock. Can you put that back up, Will? So you can see that's really simple. And then down below there are drawers for storage. And then over here we have our coffee service with more storage below it. That's awkward. It's really close to the bathroom door there. That's where the pillow for your extra bed is. And more storage down below. So you have plenty of space to put everything. You'll note here, though, they don't have these beds lifted up quite yet, so there's no room to store luggage under the bed. But as you can see, there's plenty of room over there in the corner. And then we have our bathroom that's got 2 sliding doors. And we have 2 sinks. Nice big mirror, extra pillow and blanket, ironing board. You've got your towels and etc. down there. Makeup mirror. And then you have your separate bathroom with the shower tub combo. And the separate toilet space. And a full-length mirror here. So this is a moderate category resort. This is one of the few properties that will sleep 5 in a room. And it's actually a very good value if you have a family of 5. It's comparable or sometimes cheaper than getting 2 rooms at a value. And it's a really nice resort. It's located on the Skyliner. I hope this helps you make a decision about where you want to stay on your Disney vacation. And we will talk to you guys again real soon.